Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on Clickbank for beginners. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you know which products are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos right now on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into how to make money on Clickbank for beginners. We're going to do 3 easy steps. The first one, of course, is to pick an offer. I have a video on how to do that. I'm going to leave that in the description below this video. But basically, the most profitable niches are wealth, health, and relationships. And we're going to go over to Clickbank Marketplace here. I'm going to pick something in the wealth category, which is going to be e-business and e-marketing. You want to have at least like 40 to 50% gravity. That means how many times this product has sold in the last month. So we're going to see, I have it sorted by popularity here. You can do that. I know this is a very good product, Super Affiliate System. This looks like it's a brand new one. Traffic Ivy, Clickbank University is a good product. Auto Chat Profits I didn't think was that good of a product. I did a review on that one. Cash Formula, same thing. Explode My Payday, no, I didn't think that was a good one. Because you want to pick something that, ideally, you purchase a product, you make sure that the sales video is not unrealistic. As far as income claims, you want to actually get inside the product, I feel, and make sure it's a high quality product, because if it's not, people are going to refund. And if you do paid traffic, like I'm going to show you here in a minute, you're going to lose money because people are going to refund. This one I actually thought was a good product here. Product Injector, Profit Injector. It had to do with finding YouTube videos that are not monetized, that are getting a lot of views and a lot of traffic, and doing a JV partnership with the owner of that video and inserting your affiliate link in the description. So I thought this one was a good one, a good offer here. So that's going to be the first thing, is to pick the offer. And you're going to get your affiliate link by clicking on Promote. And then you'll put your account nickname here and then generate hop links. And this is going to be your affiliate link right here under Generate Hop Links. So that's really easy to get. That's going to be the first thing, is to pick the offer. Then you're going to create a landing page that's congruent with that offer, because you don't want to send people just to that affiliate link, because if they don't buy, then you're never going to see that person again. If you have a landing page to be able to collect email addresses, you are going to be able to follow up with them and load into your email autoresponder all the follow-up messages that offer provides. Now this one here, if you click on the affiliate page, they had a lot of good follow-up emails. You have to sign up, but they had a lot of good follow-up emails that I loaded into my Aweber. And the other thing about that is, even if you don't make a sale on initially, you're going to be able to not only offer them the Profit Injector, but down the road other offers. So maybe they're not interested in the Profit Injector, but there'll be other offers that you can send to your email list. Okay, so you're going to create a landing page that's congruent with your offer. We're going to use ClickFunnels. I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. You can get a free trial for 14 days. I also have a detailed video on how to create a funnel in a landing page in ClickFunnels. I'm going to leave that below the video, as well as connecting it to Aweber and how to add your email follow-up series. That's really important. But essentially what you're going to do is go into ClickFunnels, click on Funnels, and add new. Right here, create new funnel, and then you're going to click on Collect Emails. This is the one you want to build. So let's just say we're going to do Profit Injector and Build Funnel. And then you'll click on one that's very simple, like this one here. select template. Let's just do this one. And then you're going to edit page and just create a landing page that's congruent with the offer. So you want to look at the sales page and see what kinds of things there you want to put in here. So if you went to the profit injector, you would go
congratulations. If you
take a look at the sales page, so you might want to include something like YouTube profits without ever uploading a video, video arbitrage, income, something like that you would put in here. And in order to change it, you'll double click on it and then just backspace and put whatever text you want. This is just a regular editor here. And then I'm not going to go into all of this right now, but oops. What did it say here? YouTube profits without uploading a video. I don't want this to get too long, but whatever you're going to have that's congruent with the offer. And then, of course, you can change it, the font and everything over here. After you're done editing it, you want to go on General, under Settings right here. That's where you're going to put your affiliate link. So the one that we generated over here, the hop link, you're going to put that right here so that when they click on your landing page and put in their email address, it's going to take them right to the sales page. So once you put it in here, you'll click off of it and click Save. And again, I have a video describing this in detail. I'm going to show you just an example of, let's see, the one that I did for this particular offer, Profit Injector, how to start earning $100 to $300 per day legally stealing YouTube videos. So then when you click on here and you enter your email address here, this is not the correct one here, it will take you right to the sales page, and then you will collect their email address. So this one here, I ran some traffic to it. I didn't get any sales with this particular landing page, so it's something where you're going to have to test your landing page, test your traffic source to see what's going to convert the best. So it may not be the very first time that you run traffic to it that you get sales, but again, you're building an asset, you're building an email list of people that are interested in making money online. So even if you don't make money with this offer, they're still on your email address or email list, so you may send out another one and they'll buy with that one. So that's the second thing. The third thing, of course, is that you're going to drive traffic. I'm going to tell you the fastest way to do that is with solo ads. That's using someone else's email list to send out your offer. I'm going to tell you a couple different places. The first one is Udemy, and the second one is MLMleads.com. I'm going to leave links to both of these in the description below the video, but let's just use Udemy for an example. You're going to go here. Again, it's a big marketplace where people have large email lists, and they're going to send out your offer to their list. So we're going to go to Find Sellers, and I already have this selected to greater than 40% sales. That's what you want there. And then you can pick your price. I would say at least 50 cents per click. There actually isn't anyone there. Let's see. I'm going to have to go a little bit higher here. This is one person I just used the other day. He was good. I've used him before. So once you select, let's just say we're we're going to select K-lead. Now, what you want to do is make sure that people, at least 3 people, have reported that they have gotten sales. But there actually is a lot of other criteria. I did a very detailed video, actually 2 of them I'm going to put in the description below. I learned this from a 7-figure income earner. He built his whole entire business on solo ads, and there's a lot of things that you want to keep in mind as far as when you're buying solo ads. You want to make sure they have not sent out this particular offer to their list in the last 2 to 3 weeks. And there's a lot of other criteria, but I'm going to leave those 2 videos in the description below so you can review those and make sure that you have that you do it correctly as far as buying solo ads. But in here in Udemy, once you pick the person that you're going to buy from, you want to add your links over here. So you're going to add a new link, and that's going to be your link from your lead capture page. So let's just say we did complete this lead capture page. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be your opt-in page, so you can see here if you click on that. I didn't finish it, but this is going to be it right here. I'm not going to put that in here now, but what you would do is put it in here and save it. So that way when you purchase a solo ad, then you will make sure that that is the link that is in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back here. And once you purchase it, they will send you confirmation and let you know. Well, there's a thing in here that tells you when it's going to run. So it's, as far as Udemy, it's usually pretty quick. But again, in my description below the video, 2 videos on solo ads, because sometimes you don't want to buy from people who run your solo ad right away, because that means that they're really don't have that many people that are buying from them. So that may not be a good solo ad provider to use. So down here, test at least 100 visitors the first time to see if it's a good traffic source. And then you'll click here, and this is going to be, I only have one in here. You're going to make sure you have the right link for them to go to, and then you can add your own ad text, which is in the training. I do recommend that you use your own ad text, but you can have them do it for you. And they're just going to add to cart, pay for it, and then that's it. You just add your affiliate link or your lead capture page link in there. So that's basically it. You're going to find an offer, create a landing page, connect it to your email autoresponder, drive traffic to it. Again, the fastest way is with solo ads. I did not make any sales on this particular landing page in the profit injector. Not to say that's not a good offer. I do feel like it is. I'm going to have a video below here just detailing how would you pick a winning offer. So that will be of value to you as well. All right, so that's the 3 things again to pick your offer in a profitable niche, which is going to be health, wealth, and relationships. Create a landing page that's congruent with your offer, and then drive traffic to it with solo ads. And I'm going to leave links in the description below the video to all these things as well. So hopefully you found value in how to make money on Clickbank for beginners. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave a comment below. And also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that's going to be the first link in the description below this video, something that's working very well for me as well as a lot of other people. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.